Hello everybody. Um, so I'm just gonna, so this is my sketch here. Just gonna rename that put sketch. Just gonna add another layer. Levels. I just wanna move that one up. Just gonna put clean up. Okay. Alright guys, so first I just want to show you my swatches here. This is I have the legacy swatches. I just clicked to this thing above right here, press legacy swatches, and that's how I got it. But I don't need to, so I'm just gonna delete that. Collection colors, I even made a folder with the collection colors. All I just did was I pressed this and new swatch group, and that's how you're able to make a new group. So now to get my colors that I want, I'm just gonna file open, and I'm just gonna open up my my color reference, which is right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna use the eyedropper tool, and I'm just gonna start, just clicking on it just to get the colors that I want. And it's because like for my collection I'm just using shades of pink, like different shades of pink. So in this image it's so much of a selection of like pinks, so I thought it was just perfect. Okay, so all of my colors appeared right here. I think I have a good amount there, so I'm just gonna go back into here. I'm just gonna make another layer, and I'm just gonna start filling in my sketch. So just gonna, this one I'm gonna do skirt, enter. So I just want to lock that. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my paint bucket tool. I'll probably use, okay, I'm gonna choose this pink. But edit, undo. Maybe unlock the layer. Okay. Sorry guys, I don't know why I honestly don't know why it's not it's coloring in the whole thing. I mean, maybe I don't know what I did. Let me try again. Okay. Maybe if I go into my sketch. So I wonder why it allows me to do it on there, on the actual sketch itself, but not on okay, I don't, because I wasn't trying to make it in like the same, like coloring in on the same layer as a sketch. I really wanted to make different layers, but it's just not allowing me here. I don't know what I did. So, because I don't want to spend all my time on trying to get this to work. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna color it in on the actual sketch itself. So I'm just gonna start coloring the color. Once again, this is not the way I wanted to do it, but it's just, I don't know. Sorry, y'all. Alright. I'm just gonna color in the skin. Once again, I don't want it to be in the same layer, but I'm just having trouble right now. So, in the hands, the legs. Okay. So I'm just gonna do a fit screen. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go and use my burn tool. Normally the burn tool is supposed to be in the skin layer, but once again I just don't know what's going on. So for this purpose, I'm just, because it's only allowing me to do it in the sketch layer for some reason. So like I said, normally it's supposed to be in the skin layer. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna use the burn tool, and I'm just gonna do around, just around the face. It's coming out pretty nice. Just around this face. I mean the neck, sorry. Just gonna use my hand tool, and I'm just gonna do it on the hand now. Just gonna do that on the other hand. So like I said, normally like the dress and the skirt, it's all supposed to be in its like own separate layer. And with the skin layer, that's when you use the burn tool. I don't know. Kind of need some help on how to get the, get it in its separate layer without me coloring the whole, like the whole sketch, like the whole page. Okay. Okay, so I just want to zoom out so you guys could kind of like see the difference. So there's a big difference here. It actually came out pretty nice. Maybe I could even like do it like around, maybe I could even do it around the dress. So let's see how it looks. Oh. It's actually coming out pretty good. This side. This side. Okay, so let me zoom out. Okay, so I just want to fix like right there. Okay. See, I think, hold on, I just want to see something. I want to see if it will allow me to do like the dodge and like a whole different layer, because I mean the burn, I'm sorry. The burn in a different layer. I just want to see something if it will allow me. Nope, it doesn't. Alright. So let me delete that. Delete that layer. Okay. I don't know, maybe someone could help me in regards to this, because I don't know why it's doing that. But next I'm going to be using the dodge tool. Now, the dodge tool, once again, that's supposed to be in the skin layer as well. So, let me just zoom in. Okay, so I'm not I'm gonna do it like on like the face a little bit, like the dodge tool. Oh, okay. And the neck. Actually looks pretty nice. Put on the sleeves. And I know it's gonna look especially nice like with like the legs. Cause like here I'm gonna even show you now. Cause like with the legs, I know that's gonna look pretty nice. Yeah. Yep. That looks pretty nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in the legs. But these are some pretty good tools. I'm gonna put some in here. Okay. So I'm just gonna zoom out. Okay, that doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty good. Okay, so I know I just want to show one last thing, which is like the highlight. The highlight. So I'm just gonna put brush highlight. And I want to see if this works. Hopefully this works. So I'm gonna go to my brush tool and I just want to see what I have here. Oh, there goes my brushes. Let's see. No, like one of the ones I downloaded was like the scatter. So I just want to see like what's here. Yeah, it was the spatter one. So I just want to see swatches. Ah, edit. Undo. Let me make that smaller. Okay, let me zoom in because I see it a little bit, but let me zoom in so y'all can see. Yeah, if you kind of see like the okay, so it adds like some texture to it. Okay. Okay, so it's letting me do like the this in a different layer, which is pretty good. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my hand tool. Yeah, let me go back to my brush. Okay, so this actually looks pretty nice. And let me just zoom out just so y'all can see. Okay, so it actually did add like some like texture to it, as y'all can see. It actually looks like the spatter. It added some texture to it. But yeah guys, so this is this is my video. I just hopefully someone can help me with like putting like the layers in, but because I was just having trouble with that. But yeah, this is my video. Thank you.